Alright, welcome back guys. So today we're going to be doing some pork belly burnt ends on a brand new Pit Boss Sportsman's Edition. My name is RJ and this is Beginners Barbecue Outdoors. Alright guys, so here we have is some pork belly that we got at Costco. Now, every time I do pork belly, I go to Costco because they have them just like this in strips and it's pretty good price for them. Alright, so what we're going to do with these is also the rub of choice that we're going to be using today is going to be the Killer Hogs barbecue rub. I got the backup here, the brand new bottle, because this one looks like it's about to be done, so I got a backup here. So we're going to go ahead and cut these into 1-inch cubes, and we're going to do that to all of them. Now as a binder, we're going to be using our mustard. And I got this pan here that I'm gonna add the seasoning on, and also I'm gonna cook it for our next stage. Alright, now that we have all our pork belly cut into 1-inch cubes, we're gonna go and put it in here so we can add our binder and season it in here. Now we're gonna add our mustard as a binder. Get it all over this, all this goodness right here. And don't worry about it, guys, this will not give it any mustard taste at all. So this will be pretty good like this. Now for the sauce that we're gonna be using this, we're gonna be using some sweet barbecue sauce. It's gonna come out real good. All right, now we're gonna use the barbecue rub. And once again, guys, anything you guys see here, there'll be a link in the description for the rub and the new Sportsman Edition Pit Boss that we have. All right, let's just go ahead and make it rain with all this delicious goodness. And then just go ahead and move it around. We want to make sure this is covered with all this barbecue rub. Don't go shy on the rub. Seems like this was enough. I didn't think it was going to be enough. Alright, now that we have this all covered with our barbecue rub, we're going to go ahead and bring this out. Go ahead and bring this out right here, and then we're just going to go ahead and set them in our little tray here. Alright, so there you have it. Now we have it here in our tray that we're going to go ahead and put them inside our Pit Boss Sportsman's. And so how we're going to cook this, we're going to put our Pit Boss to 250 degrees. We're looking at about 2 hours cooking time. So that's how we're going to cook these. And then after that, we're going to come bring them back out. I'm going to go wash this first. Then I'm going to put them back in here, add all the good stuff here, and we're going to go back into the Pit Boss. So for now, 250 in our Pit Boss for about 2 hours, which internal temp should be 195 to 200. So that being said, let's go ahead and fire up our pit. Alright guys, so our Pit Boss hit 250 degrees. This is ready to go in, so we're going to put it on our second shelf because we got shelves now. There we go, right there. And we'll be back in exactly 2 hours. Alright, so here we have it now. We cooked them, smoked them for 2 hours. They were probe tender, so they're ready to come out. I'm going to go ahead and put these inside this pan right here. Alright, of course we have our Lane's barbecues, the sweet barbecue, and then we got some honey we're going to be adding to it. So let's go ahead and add our barbecue sauce in here. Give a nice amount of barbecue sauce. Okay. Now we'll go ahead and add some honey. Look at that. Ooh, this looks good. Alright, so here we go. We're going to add a foil on top. And we're going to leave it there for 1 hour. Let's go back on the Pit Boss. We'll be back in 1 hour. All right, it's been 1 hour and they're ready to come out. We'll be back. All right, guys, so here we have it. We're done. And before we get into this, let's have a quick recap of what we did today. Alright, so let's go ahead and take this off, and they're looking amazing. Ooh-wee. Look at all this juicy goodness. There it is, and let's go ahead and add all these juices back in here. Alright guys, so here we have it, and oh my god, there's this little guy here is calling my name, and he's been winking at me ever since he came out. So I'll go ahead and see how this bad boy tastes, but this looks good. Let's go ahead and give it a try. I never thought I was gonna like birth ends as much as I do. It's just crazy how good they are. With the sauce, I can taste the honey too. All this done on the new Pit Boss Sportman's 1600 edition. I mean, it has a great smoky flavor to it. I used the pecans, as you guys saw, but man, this is, look at that. It just, can't stop eating these. Man, this is a 10 out of 10. The Pit Boss did a great job. Make sure you guys check out those links in the description. There's a link especially for this grill, so you guys can go straight to their website and check out more information on this grill. Don't forget to hit that like, hit that subscribe, because like I said, we're busting out videos this month. I will see you guys next time.